Hello everyone. Remember in our previous video we had promised to share the video of how we had made the goat meat sauce that we paired with our coconut rice. So that's the video we are sharing today. In a bowl we have our goat meat. I used the goat meat head. So I have deboned the head. I have my tomato, onion and pepper in a pot. We are going to fry our onion until it's translucent. Put the onion into hot oil, fry it on it until it's translucent before we'll add our fresh tomato blend. So we'll add our fresh tomato blend. We'll fry it until we are okay. If you look closely, you'll notice when you scoop it on the spoon, it bubbles. At that point, you're okay to add every other ingredient. So I'll add my fresh garlic, thyme, curry, and rosemary. That's what I had in that plate. Adding my salt, and I'll add my stock cube. Add my yellow and green pepper. I'll stir for some time. At this point, we'll add our goat meat stock. I'll add my goat meat from here. I noticed that the pot is so small, so I want to change the pot. I've changed the pot to a bigger one. So you stir and leave it on fire for some time. Then your goat meat sauce is ready. Okay, come and join me. This is the outcome of our meal prep. Thank you for watching.